How to add message button on your Instagram post. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add message button on your any Instagram post. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, you need to make sure your account is professional account. So for that, click on edit profile and then choose the option of switch to professional account. Click on continue and then choose your account type. That means artist or any other type. If you want this option to display on your profile, click on that and then click on done. After that, choose whether you want your professional account to be a creator's account or a business account. Then after, click on continue, and after that, what you need to do is, while making any Instagram post in the editing page, if you don't see the option of add message button, you need to go to the help center of Instagram. So discard your post and then go to your profile icon. In that, you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner and scroll all the way down to search for the option of help. Click on it and then choose the option of report a problem. Once you click on it, again click on report problem. Then click on include and continue. After that, you will see a text where you need to explain your problem. So you can write, I cannot see the message button on my Instagram final editing page. Please fix the problem. You can also upload the screenshot if you want. And that's all. That is how easily you can add the message button on your Instagram post. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.